Hello. In this video, we're going to learn how to center a button in Webflow. Let's start by clicking on the Add elements. In the search menu, go ahead and search for button. You'll see different button options appear. Just drag and drop your chosen button into the wrapper. Once you've done that, you can close the settings. On the right side menu, you'll notice the spacing option. Here, you have the flexibility to increase or decrease the button spacing according to your needs. After you're satisfied with the spacing, scroll down to the typography section. Click on the font option. You'll see various font options for your button. Choose a font that suits your style, and then scroll down further. Next, you'll find the background option. In this section, you'll have the color option. Here, you can choose different colors for your button based on your preferences. Once you've finalized the color, head over to the layout option. Select the particular content, and you'll see the Align option. Click on Center. Now, you can see the button positioned perfectly in the center, and that's how you center a button in Webflow. Thank you for watching.